Quick question for all the Sub-Spindle bros out there. What is the shortest part that you have transferred? Here is one that we're doing now. It is 31 thousandths overall length. We are transferring it with a Sub-Spindle, machining, machining the sub side. If you don't believe me, it is, I'm looking at the print now, 030 to 033 with an 874.5 to 873 turn diameter. The smallest one that I've ever transferred on a small 20 millimeter Swiss has been, I believe, 19 to 21 thousandths overall length. This one is 30 to 33. See here, I'm grabbing the parts right from the basket. Oop, they're mixed with the chips. 30 thousandths overall length. 31.5 we hold consistently all day. What's the shortest you've transferred on?